Hey guys, how's it going? Shut the fuck up, you stupid truck. Good morning. It's about almost 5 o'clock Central Time, and I'm about to get ready to go off driving this morning over to Ottawa, Illinois to make a delivery. And it takes me just a little while to wake up. So what I do in the sleeper is that I check Facebook. I go on Facebook almost every morning, and I check out the news. I check out what's up, and sometimes it's good news, sometimes it's bad news, and sometimes just stuff that pisses me off, or stuff that I really wish would never happen. I've been driving for almost 3 years now, if not over 3 years, and it's raining right now, but that's not the point of this video. I just saw a news story just moments ago about a major accident that happened either yesterday or the day before yesterday, one of which involved a tractor trailer and a couple of cars. One person lost his life, and I don't really know what happened, so I can't really say for sure. But this just goes to show that people just don't fucking care about truck drivers. And I'm just starting to get that vibe that people just don't fucking care. And that's pretty sad to think about, to be honest. Because, I've been through it, because it happens to me almost every fucking day. I mean, if I don't see at least one person cut me off, then I guess I'm having a good day. But there's at least one person every single day that thinks it's a great idea to cut me off at the last second just to take that exit up ahead. And it's sad to think about it. It's sad to think about that people think it's a good idea to cut truck drivers off. I can tell you right now that it's never been a good idea from the start. I can tell you that right now. It's not a very good idea. It's a great way to get yourself killed. I mean, there's a reason why I call those people suicide drivers. It's what they are. It's what they are. They are pretty much trying to commit suicide. They're trying to get themselves into a situation where the truck driver just simply cannot stop, and then they end up getting themselves killed because of it. I've seen it every fucking day. I've seen drivers just speed on past me. I've seen slow ass morons just get right in front of me, brake all of a sudden, and then get off. And every fucking time. Yesterday, going through a construction zone, I see a fucking bike driver, driving on the fucking shoulder of a construction zone, in a one-lane construction zone, going past a bunch of people. Unbelievable. Going fucking 30 miles an hour to make sure these fucking people in the construction zone are safe. Your stupid ass is so fucking impatient on a fucking bike that you want to pass me in the fucking shoulder? Are you that fucking stupid? Are you just trying to get yourself killed? People are just fucking stupid. I just don't get it. How many people have to die? How many more people have to die until the fucking law enforcement realizes that this is a problem? I call 911 almost monthly now. It's almost becoming a bi-weekly basis. Because I'm just afraid for these people. I'm afraid that something bad's going to happen. I fucking call the cops every fucking time when I think something bad is going to happen. That's what the police is for, by the way. It's what that 911 service is for. It's to notify them, hey, something's going to happen. These fucking people that are driving like fucking morons, they're about to fucking get people killed. They're about to ruin a truck driver's life. And to this day, I still don't see any fucking police officers. I get that, oh, okay, we'll send somebody out there. But I still don't see any police officer or any police presence. I still don't see that police presence. Today I don't. Yesterday I didn't. Tomorrow I won't. Because I personally believe that maybe the police just don't care. Maybe in different states or in certain states. Texas, for example. I call the police in Texas almost every single time I go to Texas, which is sad. I shouldn't have to call the police at all, but I have to, because you got fucking moron driving recklessly, swerving in front of every goddamn truck driver that he fucking sees, trying to cause a fucking accident. Highway 75 is the absolute worst of that. Highway 75, Dallas to Plano to up there, up towards wherever that goes. It's unbelievable. I don't think I'll ever understand it. Why people think it's okay to cut off a truck driver. I tell you what though, it's never okay to cut off a truck driver. It's never been okay to cut off a truck driver. I have a life outside this truck. It's called this. This is what I do whenever I'm not driving right at this moment. I do this, or I stream, or I play video games. I got my 3DS right here in my fucking suitcase. So whenever I'm not doing anything and I'm pretty fucking bored out of my mind, this is what I fucking do. You know? I got a fucking life as much as you do. So there really should not be any reason whatsoever why I should have to suffer getting cut off by anybody. But yeah, I have to fucking suffer every fucking day because people are just so fucking impatient. They have to get off at that fucking exit. It's almost to the point where I get nervous every time I see a car go slow past me. Because what if that guy behind him is one of them impatient drivers? One of them impatient drivers that's getting ready to cut me off. What the fuck am I supposed to do? I'm limited to 65 miles an hour. What the fuck am I supposed to do? I get nervous almost every time I pass another truck slowly because I'm limited to 65 miles an hour. And this guy's driving 60 or 63 miles an hour. Some cases even 55 because we're going up a hill. Sometimes I get nervous because what if the guy behind me is getting ready to cut that truck driver off right before I'm even able to turn my fucking turn signal on to signal that, hey, I'm getting ready to get over. It'd be a really good idea to not cut that truck driver behind me off and cut me off at the same time. I've also had that happen to me when I turned the turn signal on. You hear that sound? You hear that? You see the fucking light right here? I fully believe that maybe I need to do a fucking instructional video on how to use your fucking turn signal. Every fucking day, every fucking state, there's at least 5 people that do not know how to use their fucking turn signal, that refuse to. Oh, that's bad lightning. This thing right here, this thing right here. You see it? That's right. That's left. Fucking turn signal. Every fucking day. How the fuck am I supposed to know that you're getting over? Every truck driver that passes me, if there's plenty of space in front of me, I always signal the truck driver to get over. Every fucking time. Even if they already had their turn signal on. Even if they were already thinking about getting over, I always signal them with 2 to 3 flashes, letting them know, hey, it's okay for you to get over. You should probably get over. So going back to the accident, I'm very surprised in my 2 to 3 years of truck driving that I have yet to be in a major accident like that. And I really hope I don't ever have to. I really hope. That being said, when I get my fucking laptop, I'm just going to show you guys exactly. This thing right here, it's my dash cam. I got that dash cam almost I want to say almost 3 months after working for Osborne. Yeah, it was around 3 months after working for Osborne. Finally got one. Why? Because that thing's my insurance. Because my word's probably not going to fucking take it. And eventually, what I might do is get one of them, what do you call them? A multiple camera system, or not only will it capture my front, it'll capture my fucking left side facing that way, right side facing that way, both sides facing that way. That's insurance. That's real insurance. For me and for you. The dumbass that decides it's a great idea fucking cut me off. Too many of these fucking accidents that people cause, blame it on the fucking truck driver. Because I am a truck driver, that automatically means I need to be more professional. I should probably know better because I have a professional driver's license. As soon as I get this fucking CDL, that automatically makes me a professional truck driver. I'm sorry, but that's just not how it works. I've been driving for almost 3 years. I don't think I'm a professional truck driver for a minute. I think I need a couple more years on me. I'm still learning every day. I'm still learning these new places. I'm still learning the road. Hell, I even got myself a fucking atlas. Just in case the day that my fucking GPS stops working and my phone stops working at the same time, which I fucking hope that'll never happen. That being said, I pretty much know where I'm going if I ever need to go to, say, Des Moines, Iowa, or to Houston, Texas, or home to Georgia. So I fucking hope that shit never happens to me. It'd be a pain in the ass to fucking figure all that crap out. It almost makes me wonder how truck drivers before cell phones and before GPSs were able to get by. It just almost makes me wonder. That being said, I think that's enough rambling for the day. I don't know. I might have more to add on to this in a future video. Or maybe in a stream. Who knows? So, I'm just going to leave it off here. And I'm going to get going because I should probably get going. So, anyways, please be safe out there. Please don't do anything stupid. And please give me and my fellow truck drivers enough space so we can work. If your exit is less than a mile ahead, there should be no reason why you should be cutting me off. If your exit is less than a mile ahead, you should be behind me. I don't care if I am going 45 miles an hour. You should still be behind me. I don't think this video is going to change anything. But at least I could try. By just simply saying to the law enforcement, how many more people have to die until you fucking realize that this is a problem. And it'll continue to be a problem until they realize that. Until somebody realizes this. And maybe, just maybe, tries to put a stop to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. The truck driving series will start next week as usual. with daily vlogs, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll be back to the gaming stuff as soon as I get my laptop within the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.